Introduce highlight features or overview summary of BILT HARD, 79 cubic centimeters, gas walk behind lawn edger 9-inch. There are features include powerful, 4-stroke, 79cc, OHV engine. This lawn edger is equipped with a reliable 4-stroke 79cc, OHV gasoline engine, providing maximum power up to 2.2 HP at 3,600 RPM. Engineered for efficiency and durability, it meets EPA-certified emission standards, ensuring lower fuel consumption and reduced environmental impact. Durable 9-inch triple-point cutting system. BILT HARD gas-powered lawn edger features a 9-inch triple-point hardened steel blade with 5-position cutting depth adjustment, 0 to 2.5 inches, delivering clean, professional edges along driveways, sidewalks, and landscape curbs. Versatile blade bevel adjustment. This gas-powered edger allows you to tilt the blade 15 degrees left or right, making it ideal for creating decorative, beveled edges along flower beds and mulch borders. The function gives your walk-behind edger professional-grade versatility for landscape design. Curb hop design for stability. The curb hop wheel adjustment enabling this gas edger to glide over curbs without stopping, while the adjustable front wheel ensures perfect balance. With 7-inch never-flat wheels, this walk-behind edger delivers maximum stability and mobility for seamless edging around your yard. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.